everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Hamster Combat unable to get account info issue. So as you can see in here, it is not working. So what you're going to do is go to settings. And from here, you have to make sure that you're connected to the internet. If not, then you can try using a data. So from here, you can also search for VPN and enable it. After doing that, go back and look for apps, this one, and then go to app management, and here just search for Telegram, and then you can then go to storage usage and then clear cache to remove any bugs. Then you can also force stop it, so tap on OK. After that, you can also go to your App Store or Play Store to update the application. So search for, as you can see in here, update is not available, so we're just going to open it to check if it's gonna work. Let's open Hamster Combat and then tap on play and one click. Just tap on this one and then start. We're just gonna wait for it to load. And there you go, it's already working right now. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!